A simple guide to TCP tunnels. When the client and the device are on the same local network, a TCP connection is easily established. When the two peers are not located on the same network, creating a TCP connection can be a hassle because of the firewalls. The solution is to create a remote TCP tunnel. The Nabto Edge Client SDK is integrated with the existing TCP client application to start the tunnel endpoint. Also, the Nabto Edge Embedded SDK is integrated on the device with the existing TCP server application. When the client application creates a TCP connection to the Edge Client SDK, a Nabto connection is automatically established. The Edge Embedded SDK then creates a TCP connection to the existing TCP server application, and the two Edge endpoints start forwarding all data on the TCP connections. To the TCP client and server application, it now looks like they are directly connected, but the data is tunneled through the internet via the two Edge endpoints. The connection can now go through the firewalls. Read the step-by-step guide at nabto.com/tunnels.